6 Product advantages of light-burning magnesium oxide ball press. 1. Light-burning magnesium oxide ball press roller adopts high-hardness material, wear-resistant and durable. The equipment can be lightly burned magnesium oxide pressed into balls, high yield, high hardness. 2. Light-burning magnesium oxide ball press, low energy consumption, simple and convenient maintenance, a multi-purpose machine. 3. Light-burning magnesium oxide ball press material extrusion effect is good. High pelleting rate, high pelleting strength. 4. The roller surface of light-burning magnesium oxide ball press is made of synthetic manganese steel material, which has good use effect, long service life, and wide selection range of roll diameter. The equipment can also design roll diameter and machine power according to customer needs. 5. Double shaft reducer structure is adopted to improve the precision of the roller, and the gear adopts hard tooth face gear to improve the performance and life of the reducer. 6. Light-burning magnesium oxide ball press adopts pipe transportation to transport the light-burning magnesium oxide powder in th.